Ever been asked, tell me about yourself? So tell me about yourself, and suddenly feel like all eyes are on you? Whether you're being interviewed for a job opportunity, networking at an event, or meeting a new work colleague, this common question can make or break a first impression. But what if you could use that spotlight to your advantage? I'll let you in on a little secret. Your elevator pitch can do just that. So, what is an elevator pitch? Think of it as your professional highlight reel. It's a concise, compelling summary of who you are, what you do, and why it matters. It's your chance to spark interest and pave the way for exciting conversations. Now that we know what an elevator pitch is, let's talk about how to create one. Before you start crafting your pitch, you need to build a solid foundation. This means understanding your core elements. The first one is your value proposition. This is what you bring to the table. What is your unique skills and experiences that set you apart from others? Think of it as your unique selling point. For example, are you a whiz at data analysis? Do you have a knack for creative problem solving? Are you a master communicator? Identify those strengths and how they can benefit others. The next is your personal brand. This is how you want to be perceived by others. What is your professional identity? What do you want to be known for? Think of it as your reputation. Are you the go-to person for innovative ideas? The reliable team player who always gets the job done? Define what makes you unique and own it. And lastly, passion. People can tell when you're genuinely excited about something. What are you truly passionate about? What motivates you to get up in the morning? Let that enthusiasm shine through in your pitch. When you speak with passion, it's contagious. It shows you're not just going through the motions, but that you truly care about what you do. So let's take a moment and jot down your responses to these three core elements. By building a solid foundation, you'll be able to craft an effective pitch that helps people understand what you do and how you can help them solve problems. Tips for crafting your pitch. Here's how to make your elevator pitch shine. Grab attention. Start with a strong opening line that captures the listener's interest. Know your superpower. What makes you stand out? What's your value proposition? What do you bring to the table? Keep it simple. Use clear, concise language that everyone can understand. Avoid jargon as much as possible. Be authentic. Let your personality shine through. People connect with genuine enthusiasm. Practice and polish. Rehearse your pitch until it feels natural and confident. Tailor to your audience. Adapt your pitch to the specific context and the person you're talking to. And don't forget, this is your time to sell yourself. No one will advocate for you like you will. Just start. Create your pitch. There's always flexibility to modify it and refine it over time. Want to see a few different examples of elevator pitches that pertain to various job roles? Visit our blog on the Equifax career site. To sum it up, a strong elevator pitch is a key tool in your career development toolbox. It allows you to showcase your value, connect with others, and ultimately power your possible.